But I don't know if they tried to immortalize her brand by keeping it. You know what I mean by that. Just kind of in her memory, and also if the business can make money even though she's not here. Because she's the personality behind the business. So the same will not be true of Henri Bendel. I think they're closing the doors and they are going out of business, which means those handbags will be harder and harder to get until they're just not, you can't get them, is what my guess is. For one thing, if you're an investor in handbags, I bet you that will make them more and more valuable, because it is a historic brand. Look it up. In the sense of what Henri Bendel did, what he started in both the makeup and fashion business. Actually, it may just be the makeup business. I mean, the fashion business, sorry. Not makeup. I don't remember. I don't remember on that end. But I do remember that runway shows were started by him in New York. Remember that? Like the fact that, you know, you would show your whole line on a runway. That was him. Think about that. Think of all the major brands on, like, Fashion Week that do runway shows, and it's just like, that's pretty huge. So anyway, that's it. I'm gonna let you guys go. I gotta run. I love you so much, but I gotta have some coffee. I gotta get ready. We're going to church, and we're leading worship today, so I gotta go. Love you guys. Bye, 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 bye.